Teresa.
Hi, my name is Robert. We are studying MSc Link second semester at University of Gravesal.
This semester we created a poster and the module climate change.
And our topic is Himalayan melting and its devastating consequences.
Now just enjoy our video.
Glaciers in the Hindu Kush Himalayan store the most ice in the world outside the North and South Poles, and therefore it's also called the third pole. But it's melting dramatically and is undergoing a drastic change these days due to the climate change.
The process of ice melting can be described as the amplifying feedback between temperature, ice cover, and albedo, and is also influenced by black carbon. The dominant driver of the ice melting is the atmospheric warming. Even if we could limit global warming to 1.5 degrees in the future, mountain temperatures would rise above 2 degrees. Increasing temperature leads to increasing ice loss, which is followed up by a decreasing albedo. The decrease in the albedo then also contributes for further warming and further melting.
Coming now to the consequences. Under the current emission scenario, the region will lose two-thirds of glacier volumes, and in the 1.5-degree world, it would be one-third. Increasing ice melting leads to formation of glacier lakes. Here you can see the panorama of Imsa Glacier in 1956, and you can now see the emergence of Imsa Lake in 2012. The increase in water volume of glacier lakes can be violently outburst. The resulting floods can devastate downstream communities. And also, avalanches are becoming more frequent in the region due to climate change.
The consequences of ice melting contribute largely to environmental and socio-economic impacts. The entire eco-balance of the river system can be changed, which leads to intensive loss of biodiversity and ecosystems. Mountain livelihoods are highly vulnerable, which leads to millions of climate refugees.
Due to heavy impacts on livelihoods and environment, we have to find solutions how to mitigate and adapt to new circumstances. The only way to mitigate the problem would be to cool the planet's temperature.
Now you have seen the heavy consequences and impacts of the Hindu-Kush Himalayas ice melting. There is predicted that at worst case, glacier volumes will decline by up to 90% through this century. You have to take in mind that the entire region is headed for an immense socio-economic climate crisis by 2100. Thanks for watching.